Welcome to the SQL Ultimate Reference Database. In this SQL reference database, we can see, first of all, the reference section, which contains over 600 functions that we have created. They are separated by category, subcategory, command, description, syntax, example, and expected output. Of course, it's also separated by SQL type and difficulty. Additionally, we created a cookbook. This cookbook contains problems and their solutions, the most recurrent and most common problems and their solutions. Of course, it's also filtered by difficulty, and we have over 250 entries in this section as well. Then we have the interview preparation section. In the interview preparation section, we have more than 150 questions that you can expect in an interview. Finally, we have the performance guide, which is simply a way to optimize your code and gives you examples of how to optimize it. The most important feature in this Excel is the problem finder. So, when you have a problem that you want to solve and you want to search for some code, instead of searching through all the databases, you can simply search over here, enter any word you want, and Excel will directly find a suitable command, a common command, or an example that you can use and get inspired by. This is the most important feature of this database that you can buy from our store.